rushing today.
And we forgot our phone.
I forgot my phone. We're a hot mess today. I forgot my phone in my car at her house.
Let me tell you how Eileen
we missed our reservation.
Eyebrows with a pencil.
Oh yeah, and then I lost all my makeup brushes, so I had to do my eyebrows with
They look good.
freaking lip pencil. Oh, is this it?
Yeah.
And now we're going to this cute little place called The Village. Ooh, it is cute. Oh shoot. Yeah. We found a cute little spot. It's like right on this busy street with all the little shops. Cute.
This is Sherman Oaks.
Oh, that's where we are?
Oh, it's Studio City. I'm not too sure.
My first time here, so we're gonna enjoy some brunch. We got these three little ovens. Oh, open the gift. Oh yeah. Just a little something. Her birthday was earlier this month, but I haven't seen her. Oh, hi. No, you're fine.
Let's order for you.
Yeah, let's order.
Hey, what can I get for you? What do you suggest for breakfast thing? Spice bomb. Ooh.
It's just a sample.
No, I remember selling this one at Macy's when I worked there. Fancy!
Girl, it's all three, so you have to tell me how that is.
What is it?
It's highlighter, contour, and conceal.
Oh, this is cool. Thank you.
I know. I was like, hopefully it works. It works. It works.
We are rushing before our waitress gets back because she doesn't want to be in our vlogs. Ew, what is this?
Okay, there's a little bit of a theme. Butterflies. It's a bodysuit, not a bikini.
Oh, okay. I'm like, wait, how does it go?
It's like just a tank.
Cute.
So cute, right?
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Oh, I love it.
Let me show.
Cute.
Super cute. This is in my color range too.
Yeah.
Where'd you find this?
Fashion Nova. I know.
You're like, I got five.
I should have got me one, honestly. It's so cute.
Thank you. So sweet.
And then just two little more things in there. Oh, wait, did you already get them out?
No.
Let's go with the theme.
Oh, I took the bottom of it. Oh, you didn't get me?
Yay, we're twins. And then another butterfly.
I'm gonna buy this. Like something similar to this necklace.
So you have your bodysuit butterfly and then that, and you don't have to wear them together, but
Cute. A little much, but maybe I will. What I noticed is in LA, everybody kind of just has their own sense of fashion. It's not like San Diego where you're kind of like,
we're just like,
I want one.
okay, we're gonna try this.
That's not in the script, though.
This looks like chocolate. Good. Try a little piece.
Oh, wait, why did you get the bigger piece? I'm just kidding.
Let's see.
Alright, let's see.
Wait, you try these too.
Well, I can't film myself trying this. Good?
That's you, girl.
What do you think this jam is? It looks like fig.
Peach.
A
Oh, wait,
peach.
it's not coming out of it? Oh no, they just gave us on the side. I think it's plain. Let me see.
Here, I'll put it up.
I think it's like honey. You try it.
Let me pour this inside.
Oh no. Taste that, girl.
Let me get this cool shot.
Wait, let's cheers. 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 We got the breakfast tacos. Oh my gosh, there's broccoli even. Syrup, sour cream, whipped cream, and Nutella. Ooh, presentation is everything.
So cute.
Have my driver here.
Hello.
We just got done brunch. I don't have a phone.
12:43.
Dang.
Where are we
So we're
going?
gonna go pick up my phone, and then where are we going?
Hollywood to one of the main streets. to go shopping and look around, show her the Grove and stuff.
Oh, I want to go there.
Yeah.
And then the beach. Yay!
Okay.
What beach are we going to?
Malibu. Have fun Malibu.
Yay! I'm so excited. I was telling my dad texted Hollywood.
Hollywood. Say hi from to the man. Mountain Street. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Look at this. This is all of LA. How sad is that? Listen, you got a vlog going, you got pictures going. Why am I always making up filters? Ugh!
Okay, retake. It's just my family. It's okay.
Oh. I need to turn on Huahianga. How do you say the street?
Girl. Oh no.
Hakuanga. I know Tyga sings about it, but how does he say it?
I don't know. Beach necessities here. I think these are actually called Pica Gomas. I have no idea what that means, but okay. Wow, it's so pretty. So it kind of ends over here. We're like right at the end. We're like in a little pivot, huh?